Miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise. Chapter number 5. Question number 1. Question number 1. Here we have to evaluate I raised to 18 plus 1 upon I whole raised to 25 raised to 3. We have to find the value of this expression. So now we can write this I raised to 18 power as a I raised to 4 into 4, 4 4 are 16 plus 2 plus this 1 upon I raised to 25 as a I raised to 25 I and I raised to 25 as a hello clear I raised to 25 as a I raised to 25 as a 6 4 are 24 plus 1 and whose raised to whole raised to 3 is there. So writing this 18 power as a I raised to 4 4 are 16 plus 2 4k plus 2 and writing this 25 power as a I raised to 6 into 4 plus 1 it's a 6k plus 1 done. So we know the power of I. So what is I raised to 4k plus 2? I raised to 4k plus 2 is nothing but the I square plus 1 upon I raised to 6k plus 1 is nothing but the I and whole power raised to 3. So what is I square? I square is minus 1 plus here 1 upon I multiply and divide this 1 upon I with I. So we're getting I upon I square which is minus I. 1 upon I is nothing but the minus I raised to 3. Done. Now here we are taking minus 1 common. So remaining expressions in the bracket there will be 1 plus I whole raised to 3. 1 plus I whole raised to 3. So now here you can apply our formula. 1 plus I raised to 3 is minus 1 cube first term cube plus second term cube. So it's a 1 I cube plus 3 into first into second term, that is 3 into I into 1 plus I. So this is equal to minus 1 plus what is I cube? I cube is I square into I, so it's a minus I. So I cube is minus I plus 3I plus 3I square. Again replace this I square with minus 1. So we are getting minus, this is 1 minus I plus 3I minus 3. I square equal to minus 1. So this one is 1 minus 3 minus 2 and 3I minus I 2I. So minus 2 plus 2I and taking this minus sign inside open this bracket. So we are getting 2 minus 2I. Done. So this is the value of this given expression. It is I raised to 18 plus 1 upon I raised to 25 whole raised to 3 is 2 minus 2I. Understood? Now let Z1 equal to A plus IB. Two complex numbers are there, Z1 and Z2. So let Z1 is equal to A plus IB and Z2 equal to C plus ID. So two complex numbers are there and we have to prove for these two complex number is Z1 Z2. Prove that Z1 Z2 equal to Z1 Z2 equal to real Z1 into real Z2 minus imaginary Z1 into imaginary Z2. This you have to prove. Done. So for that we have considered two complex numbers a plus ib and another complex number is c plus id. So let's start with the given left hand side. So here given left hand side is z1 z2. So z1 z2 is a plus ib and c plus id. So it's a plus ib into c plus id. Now perform expansion, or you can say multiplication. So it's a AC into I AD plus I BC plus I square BD, and this is equal to taking I common and I square equal to -1. So we are getting AC minus BD. Writing these two terms combinedly, I square equal to -1. So this one is AC minus BD plus, now taking this I common, so it's I into AD plus BC. So this is real part, this is imaginary part. So this real part of this Z1 Z2, no, this is Z1 Z2 equal to, so Z1 Z2 equal to, we can say real part is, what is real part? AC. Now what is A? A is real part of Z1. It's a real Z1. C, it's a real Z2 minus B. B is imaginary Z1. Imaginary Z1. D, it's a imaginary Z2. This is imaginary part of, so this is the real part of Z1 Z2. This you have to prove. No, this is real part. No, this one is real part, and this is imaginary part. So real part of this Z1 Z2 is AC minus BD, where A is real of Z1, C is real of Z2 minus B is imaginary of Z1 and D is imaginary of Z2. This we have to prove. Clear? इसमें किसी को कोई doubt? Sure. Question number 3. Please unmute your mic. Reduce the given expression in standard form. Reduce in standard form. Reduce the given expression in standard form. So here, the expression is square root of 1 upon 1 minus 4i minus 2 upon 1 plus I. Done? So we have to reduce this expression in standard form. So for that, we have to simplify it. So first consider this first bracket. Cross multiply it. So this is equal to 1 into 1 plus I. It's a 1 plus I. 1 plus I minus 2 into 1 minus 4i upon 1 minus 4i into 1 plus I into 3 minus 4i upon 5 plus I. Done? Now in denominator, multiply these two terms, and numerator, open this bracket. It's a 1 plus I minus 2 plus 2 4 is 8i. Again, multiplication of these two terms. 1 1 is 1 plus I minus 4i minus 4i square into 3 minus 4i upon 5 plus I. So this is equal to 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 8i plus I, 9i upon minus 4i square. So I square is minus 1. So it's a plus 4. Plus 4 plus 1. So it's a 5. 5 minus 3i into 3 minus 4i upon 5 plus I. Bolo? Any doubt? Now again cross multiply, or you can directly multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So this is equal to, it will be like this, minus 1 plus 9i into 3 minus 4i upon 5 minus 3i, 5 plus I. Now multiplication in numerator, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus 1 into minus 4, plus 4i, 9 plus 3, 9 into 3, 27i, minus 9 4s are 36 I square upon multiplication of this denominator, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 5i minus 15i minus 3i square. Done. Now replace this I square with minus 1. So plus 36 minus 3. So plus 36 minus 3 is 33. 33. 27 plus 4. 31i. It's a 31i. Upon 25 plus 3. 28. Minus 15 plus 5. Minus 10i. You have to simplify this. So again you have to multiply and divide by the conjugate of this denominator. So it's a 28 plus 10i, 28 plus 10i. So again you have to perform multiplication in numerator. So 33 into 28, 33 into 28 करना है. Eight six eight. 868. हाँ 924 कर दिया आपने. चलो ये मुझे मल्टीप्लिकेशन लिखो. 924 and 33 into 10, 330i. Again 31 into 28. कितना आएगा? 868 plus 300 and I square. Now denominator, it's a 28 square minus 10i square. So 310 I square, so it's a minus 310. So 924 minus 310. तो कितना होगा? 416 614 प्लस यहाँ पर I कॉमन आएगा. So 330 and 686. So taking I common, so it's a 616 1198i upon 28 square. 28 square कितना होगा? 8 8 64 4 7 784 plus 100 है ना. 100 I square. I square is minus 1, so minus minus plus. So 748 plus 100. सो हियर न्यूमरेटर में 2 कॉमन ले ले, तो क्या होगा, इट्स 307 प्लस यहाँ पर 5 599 599 आई बाकी रहेगा, और डिनोमिनेटर में 784 प्लस 100 8 884 रहेगा, और 2 कट करें, सो आवर आंसर इज 307 प्लस 599 आई डिवाइड बाय, इसको 2 से कट करो तो कितना होगा 442, सो इट्स 442, सो दिस इज अवर आंसर। डन। रिड्यूस इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है तो न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर सेपरेटली करके लिखो, इट्स 307 अपॉन 442 रियल पार्ट प्लस आई इंटू 599 अपॉन 442। डन। दिस इज a प्लस ib फॉर्म, सो दिस इज योर आंसर। क्लियर? इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट? ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन एडिशन एक बार वेरीफाई कर लेना है ना। चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है ना, 3 हो गया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, so here you have to prove, what you have to prove, if x minus iy equal to square root of a minus ib upon c minus id. If x minus iy equal to square root of a minus ib upon c minus id, then prove that x square plus y square whole square equal to a square plus b square upon c square plus d square. This you have to prove. Done. So let's start with the given. So here we are given x minus iy equal to square root of a minus ib upon c minus id. This is given. So first we will remove this square root. So first we are taking square on both sides. So taking square on both sides. Taking squares on both sides. So it will be x minus iy whole square, and this is equal to a minus ib upon c minus id. So what is this x minus iy whole square? It is x square plus y square minus I into 2xy equal to a minus ib c minus id. Done. Now say this one is the result number 1. Now we are taking complex conjugate on both sides. So taking conjugate on both sides. So how can we get the conjugate of given numbers? By changing the sign of imaginary parts. So here x square plus y square real part, imaginary part is minus I 2xy. So here we have to change the sign. So conjugate of this left hand side is x square plus y square plus I into 2xy. Now on the right hand side, here we change the minus sign into plus sign. It's a plus ib upon c plus id. Say this one is a result 2. Done. So now we are multiplying result 1 and result 2. Multiply result 1 and result 2. है multiplying z and z bar. So it's a mod z square. Multiplication of complex number with complex conjugate is mod z square. So these two numbers are complex conjugate of each other. So we are getting mod z square. So what is the multiplication of these two terms? X square plus y square minus I 2xy. Multiply this one with x square plus y square plus I 2xy. This is equal to a minus ib a minus ib upon c minus id into a plus ib upon c minus id. So complex conjugate is mod z square, that is real part square plus imaginary part square. So real part square plus imaginary part square is, this one is x square plus y square माइनस इसका भी स्क्वायर आई स्क्वायर है ना, तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा. इट्स आई स्क्वायर एक्स वाई स्क्वायर इज सॉरी 2xy square is 4x square y square, and this is equal to, this one is a minus b a plus b, so it's a square plus b square, same denominator, c square plus d square. Done. So here this one is minus I square is plus 1, so again this one is x square plus y square whole square plus 4x square y square equal to a square plus b square upon c square plus d square. Done. So now we have to prove this one is x square plus y square. इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं x square minus y square स्क्वायर करके. This one is nothing but the x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 minus 2x square y square plus 4x square y square equal to a square plus b square c square plus d square. तो ये x square plus y square हो जाएगा x minus y whole square. Done. Or plus, again we are adding plus 4x square y square. So this is nothing but the or required identity, which is x square plus y square whole square equal to a square plus b square upon c square plus d square. Done. So this is how you can prove your result. Now question number 5. Two parts are there. You have to write the given complex number into polar form. So polar form तो हमें पता ही है, लेकिन यहाँ पर first you have to write the given identity into standard form ना. पहले तो हम एक्सप्रेशन को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, उसके बाद उसका पोलर फॉर्म डिराइव करेंगे. So convert the following complex number into polar form. So first one is 1 plus 7i upon 2 minus I square. Done. Simplification करें इसका. So simplification is 1 plus 7i upon डिनोमिनेटर में एक्सपांशन होगा, तो इट्स अ 4 minus 4i plus I square. So this one is 1 plus 7i upon I square is minus 1, so it's a 3 minus 4i. So it's a 3 minus 4i. Again you have to multiply divide with the complex conjugate. So it's a 3 plus 4i. Denominator of conjugate is 3 plus 4i. 3 plus 4i. Again perform multiplication in numerator and denominator. So 1 plus 7i into 3 plus 4i. So it's a 3 plus 4i plus 21i plus 28i square upon 3 minus 4i. 3 plus 4i is 9 plus 16. बोलो. It's a 28 I square minus 28. So minus 28 plus 3. So minus 25. 21i plus 4i. So 25i upon 16 plus 9. 25. Take 25 common. So it's a minus 1 plus i. So this is simplified form of our complex number. Z is equal to minus 1 plus i. Now we have to write the polar form of this complex number. तो वो सबको आता है. So compare this complex number Z is equal to standard form x plus iy So we are getting x equal to -1 and y equal to 1. So modulus of complex number is x square plus y square, which is 1 plus 1 equal to root 2. So r is equal to root 2. Done. Modulus is there. Now for the argument, we have to check the quadrant in which our complex number lies. So z is equal to -1 plus I lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Very good. Second quadrant. So for second quadrant, our theta is, for second quadrant theta is, क्या होता था बोलो? पाई माइनस फाइव. अभी फाइव को रिप्लेस करना है. सो फाइव के लिए, हाँ, पाई माइनस फाइव. और फाइव को कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? टेन फाइव इक्वल टू मोड वाई बाई एक्स. टेन फाइव इक्वल टू टेन इनवर्स मैंने कहीं पर भी नहीं लिखवाया है ना, मैंने टेन इनवर्स कहीं पर भी नहीं लिखवाया है. टेन फाइव इक्वल टू वाई बाई एक्स. वाई बाई एक्स इज 1 upon -1. So tan phi equal to 1. So phi equal to pi by 4. Phi equal to pi by 4. Put in equation number 2. So our argument of z, which is nothing but the theta, and that is equal to pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4. Done? So this is theta. Theta equal to 3 pi by 4. And our r is root 2. So now we can write the polar form of complex number. So polar form of complex number is z is equal to r root 2 cos theta 3 pi by 4 plus I sin theta, it's a sin 3 pi by 4. Done? This is your answer. Now second part. Here we are given 1 plus 3i upon 1 minus 2i. So first we have to simplify this. So simplification is complex conjugate of denominator 1 minus 2i. It's a 1 plus 2i upon 1 plus 2i. So multiplication of numerator 1 into 1, 1 plus 2i plus 3i plus 6i square. Expansion करना है. Denominator is 1 minus 4i square. 1 minus 4i square is 5. Numerator में क्या होगा? 6i square is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1. So it's a minus 5 plus 5i upon 5. Again take 5 common. It will be minus 1 plus I. So our complex number is z is equal to minus 1 plus I. और इसका पोलर फॉर्म सेम रहेगा फर्स्ट पार्ट में जो किया वही. क्लियर? हो जाएगा. जो अभी किया ना यहाँ से यहाँ तक, ये फिर से आपको लिखना है. ये पूरा पार्ट आपको फिर से लिखना है सेकंड पार्ट के लिए, क्योंकि हमारा z आ गया माइनस 1 प्लस आई. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट में जो z था वही सेकंड पार्ट में है. तो इसका पोलर फॉर्म जो होगा वो क्या होगा? सेम आंसर. दिस इज अवर आंसर फॉर दी बोथ पार्ट 1 and part 2. क्लियर? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 to 9. सोल्व द गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. तो मुझे नहीं लग रहा है कि वो मुझे आज करवाने चाहिए आपको, है ना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 to 9. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 to 9, दैट इज गिफ्ट फॉर ऑल. हाँ, आप सबके लिए वो गिफ्ट है, वो आपको एक्सेप्ट करना है और आपको वो सॉल्व करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 to 9 क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, है ना. उसमें मुझे नहीं करवाना है, वो सबको आता है. हो जाएगा सबका? वेरी गुड. सो नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Question number 10 is, we are given complex number z1 equal to 2 minus I and z2 equal to 1 plus I. So here you have to find the value of modulus z1 plus z2 plus 1 upon z1 minus z2 plus 1. इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है. It's a mod z1 plus z2. Put the value of z1 and z2. 2 minus I plus 1 plus I plus 1 divided by z1 minus z2, 2 minus I minus 1 minus I plus 1. So this is equal to mod. क्या होगा? Minus I plus I cut. So I cancel. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 4. 4 upon denominator में plus 1 minus 1 cut. It's a 2 minus 2I. 2 minus 2I mod. Done. So हमने ऐसा स्टडी किया था. If mod z1 by z2 is there, we can write mod z1 upon mod z2. So this one is mod 4, which is 4, and denominator mod of 2 minus 2I. Done. So our answer is real part square plus imaginary part square. 4 plus 4. Square root में आएगा. Done. So square root of 8 is क्या होगा? Square root of 8 2 root 2, 4 upon 2 root 2. So 2 2s are 4. So that is equal to 2 upon root 2. 2 upon root 2. Root 2. Done. So this is your answer. Done.